Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the trophy cosmetics on Grow a Garden. Also, before I want to start, congratulations on Grow a Garden for winning a few awards on the Roblox Innovation Awards. So this is what we get to, I think we are all winners now. Actually, obviously the devs made this game, so they definitely deserved it, but we got this little cute trophy as well. The code for it is this. Go to settings, and then this is the code RDCA Ward. You're just going to claim it. As you can see, I've already claimed it, and you get this trophy. And I think you just get that trophy. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.